G'day folks. I'm going to have to make this a quick little clip because this bird's particularly, what's the word, shy, flighty, pardon the pun, but that's the common bronzewing. And they're supposed to be very common indeed, but I'll tell you what, you don't actually see them that often. You often hear them, but they'll sit in thick foliage and they'll make a noise very much like an owl, and people actually think it's an owl when they hear them. But of course it's a diurnal bird, and the calls are heard during the early morning and late afternoon. And owls are of course nocturnal. But like his cousin, the crested bronzewing, which is very similar in that they have the beautiful colours on the wings, which you can't actually make out here, I'm sorry. But these guys lack the pointy crest of the crested bronzewing. I put a little clip a long time ago of the crested bronzewing up on YouTube. They're the ones with the whistly wings, the wings that whistle when they take off. Pardon about the neighbours there. Probably getting excited about New Year's Eve tonight. They've got a nice white marking along the face there, under the eye, which is lovely. And this is possibly a married couple we've got here. As I said, you often hear these guys, but don't often see them, and if you do see them, they're very hard to approach. Anyway, those kids are probably going to scare these guys off, so I better leave it with that. But there's a pair of common bronzewings. Another Australian native dove. Aussie birds rock. See ya.